How to fix Bladder's Gate 3 game BG3 script extender not working. For this, what we will do is that if you're facing the issue or you cannot do the thing, that is your script extender is not working on your PS4 on your PC where you're playing the game. How can I simply solve this issue or fix it? To fix this issue, we will have to do some general setting, some small setting. We cannot do this thing directly or we cannot fix it directly from our PC, PS4 or mobile. So the first step is to simply we will open our game on wherever platform you're opening it. Like if you're playing it on PC, you have to go on your PC, and then what you have to do is we will simply refresh the game. To fix anything in any game like this, what you have to do is you simply have to refresh your PC, restart your PC, and then you can run the game again. After that, you won't face any type of this error. Please make sure that you have connected with a better network, and if you face the problem still, you can switch to a VPN and then run the game on your PC. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe our channel for watching more technical videos and updates like this.